Welcome guys, my name is Sebastian. Today I want to talk to you about what happens when you don't have a regular maintenance, or if you forget about your maintenance or forget about your maintenance. It's more about neglecting your truck. I've had two customers come in through the shop this past week, and we inspected the truck. There were issues, and the problem is paying for the bills, fixing it the right way. And well, some of them are purely neglected maintenance. So exhaust leaks, brakes, oil leaks, air leaks, things that I understand might happen, especially right now since the rates are very poor and it's very hard to make money as an owner. But in two of those cases, both of those guys just didn't touch the truck for years. Just oil changes, and that's what we've seen so far. So as I started taking it apart, you just it's like an onion. You unpeel and more issues, and then now you have to. Now, I want to help, but we can't really do more work because they're not able to pay for that, and that's always a problem, because you want to do the right way, and you want to fix it the right way, and you want to do good by your customer, and at the same time, they have no money to fix it. So we make sure you have a maintenance plan, that you stay on top of everything that's happening with your truck. And I'll talk about one other case in a different video about kingpins, which was very interesting. And if you have a maintenance plan, make sure you understand and follow up on things that you do fix in the truck, and keep records and have the things planned out. It's your asset. Take care of your truck and make sure that you know what's overall happening with it, and keep checking. Develop a relationship with the shop, develop a strong relationship with a mechanic, and stay on top of things, because you never know when things gonna blow up in your face. Now rates are low, you need to fix your truck, and you have no money to take care of the truck. And just be aware of that. Always plan for shitty rates, I guess. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you soon.